Yo, what is going on, fam? We are here today to be filming a behind the scenes vlog video for Neil and Matt's short film today. Super excited to do that. We got a beautiful day, 78 degrees, guys. I just parked, so we're here at Neil's parents. So let's go inside and let me introduce you to the cast. What up? Say hi to the vlog, brother.
Hello, vlog.
This is Neil. He likes to yell at people and stuff.
Hello.
What's up, dude? How you doing?
And this is Matt Berg. He is one of the coolest bros I know and loves cameras just as much as I do. What are we using today?
Canon C500 Mark II.
What are you doing? Tell us.
Acting.
Acting? What's your role?
I'm the role of mother.
Hi.
Everybody's meeting. Say hi to the vlog.
What's up? What's up? How's everybody?
Natalie, she's really good at crying on camera.
I've had a crazy morning. I'm very frazzled. I don't even know what day it is, what time it is. I get to play the daughter role. I'm very excited. It's going to be it's even more emotionally intense than last time. I think might be a really good challenge today. But
I just found a picture of Neil when he was a little kid. Oh, he's so cute. He's
just a baby.
This is Josh. He doesn't know it, but he's about to get an arm workout doing sound.
We're getting the audio set up. Got the 2 lavs for the main actors. And then we'll get the boom mic set up, probably on a pole eventually.
I'm Seth,
This is Seth. He's really passionate about chicken strips.
and I'm a gaffer today. I don't know. I set up a bunch of lights, and then he'll tell me where to move them, and that's about it.
I'm Ben.
And this is Ben. He's here to do it all.
I'm a gaffer, and I'm helping with the camera work as well.
I haven't seen my friend Ashley Hancock in a long time. She's an amazing photographer out here in Rockford, and she is here on set with me doing behind the scenes. What are we eating today, Ashley? Say hi.
Hi.
And this is Ashley Hancock rocking the behind the scenes today.
Hello. Spaghetti and meatballs.
And we got Mama cooking. What are you cooking, Mama?
I'm just
And this is Neil's mom.
getting these prepped for her shoot, so
Oh, I thought so. You're not really making anything.
no, but we'll probably eat these later when we're done. So yeah.
All right, guys. Right now, the crew is prepping. Matt and Neil are going over the script, making sure everything is all lining up, getting their shot list going. Ashley's in there going ham on the behind-the-scene photography, and I'm just waiting here for them to set up, and then I'm gonna show you guys a little bit B-roll. This is Lucy. Lucy, say hi, puppy. Hi, Lucy. Fun fact, guys, the only dog that has ever bit me in my whole life was a dachshund.
I'm good.
Yeah,
I'm
Jude, she makes everybody look pretty.
so ready for it to be warm. I'm over this cold weather. Plan today is hair and makeup.
Just want to thank everyone for being here today. This is probably one of the heavier topics and scripts that I've done. And I'm thankful for everyone just kind of coming out and being a part of it. We're really lucky to have 2 talented actresses today that are going to give it their all. And I'm glad to say that we equally have a talented crew around us to do that. So.
Ain't got no time. Should've been dead on a sun.
Yeah, so we're shooting Natalie's coverage for the next section of the script. But the light is only going to get darker at this point of the day. So we're trying to just mimic some sunlight to help it balance out for what it looked like. How are the arms? Actually, it's pretty good right now. We just did a 5-minute break. It was bad before because we did like 3 takes in a row.
Chipotle and then like ice cream or something. Yeah.
Chipotle or ice cream? Both?
Both.
Can you guys go to 1?
Sorry, yes, sir.
Great. Back on set.
Time for morning. Ain't got no time.
Good shoot. We had some challenging light. You know, it's a long, hard scene with a lot of natural light. So kind of combating that all day was its own wonderful challenge. But I think we did a great job, and the performances really got there. So it was a good day all around.
Guys, it is a wrap. We're about to have some pizza.